Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a talk box. First, gather your instrument, amplifier, microphone, and the talk box itself. Begin by taking a standard 1/4 inch instrument cable and connecting it from your instrument's output jack directly into the input of your talk box. Next, ensure your talk box receives adequate power, typically from a 9-volt DC power supply, to function correctly. Now, let's integrate your amplifier and microphone. Use another 1/4 inch instrument cable to connect the talk box's output to your amplifier's input. For the microphone, place it about 2 to 4 inches from your mouth, aimed directly at the talk box tube. Adjust your microphone's gain settings to achieve a clear, strong vocal signal without distortion, ensuring your voice is well balanced with the instrument. The next crucial step involves the talk box tube and your vocal technique. Gently insert the clear plastic tube into your mouth, positioning it between your teeth, but not too far back. As the sound enters your mouth, use your tongue, lips, and jaw to form words and phrases, just as you would when speaking. Experiment with opening and closing your mouth to create distinct vocal effects and articulations. If you encounter any issues, start by checking all your cable connections. A loose 1/4 inch jack is a common culprit. Ensure your amplifier's volume and the talk box's level are appropriately balanced to prevent feedback or a weak signal. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your articulation and control, allowing you to achieve those iconic talk box sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.